Here's a pair of the Soundcore Q20i headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Vizio Smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing we should do is put these headphones into pairing mode. We'll know that these are in pairing mode when you see the buttons here when it's blinking blue like this, blue, 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 which indicates it's in pairing mode, okay? So let me show you how to put it in pairing mode first, okay? Let me first turn these headphones off. There's a middle button right there. Let me press and hold for a few seconds so it turns off. Okay, it just turned off. Now, while the headphone's off, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to press and hold that power button, keep holding and just wait until it starts blinking blue, which would indicate it's in pairing mode. So let's do that power button here. Ready? Press and hold. Keep holding. Wait. It's blinking white. Still holding. Wait. Okay, now it's blinking blue. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's go ahead and shoot over to the TV, go directly to your settings if you have a settings button on your remote. If not, just navigate to the home page, click on the home button on the remote, and then navigate to the left. And we're going to go down to settings, all the way down to the bottom left, right there, settings. And then from here, we're going to go down to all settings, right there. So like that. And then from here, we're going to go to Bluetooth and remote, right there. Go ahead and select that. Now we're going to go down to headphones, select that. And now you can see all the other earphones and earbuds I have paired to this TV here, but let's just keep going down here. Oops. And let's click on more available devices. You can see that thing. Ooh, let me go back for a second here. You can see that thing spinning on there, searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me. Okay, these are still in the pairing mode. It's blinking blue. I'm just waiting for it to show up here. Let's do more available devices. Oh, there we go. Soundcore Q20i right there. Let's select it. Let's pair it. Oh, it just connected. I heard the connecting chime. And there you go. Pretty simple. And you can see that we're connected. If I go all the way up, you should see the check mark right up there. And there you go. And you can see the volume rockers moving up and down up there as well. Anyway, if you guys had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these headphones. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.